Straighten up. Straighten up, straighten up, straighten up, straighten up. They are with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get a head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What did them? Chatting. Bang, bang, boom.
What's good, YouTube? You don't know your girl Ali the righteous, sir.
And you don't see the king, though.
And Kenny in the back, guys. And I know it's been a minute since we've done a sit-down video.
Yes, guys, that's true.
This is not really a sit-down video, but
this is a tutorial video.
Yes.
Where I give her some lesson, some driving lesson, guys. So, all she attack her to the wall, she attack. So, she said she want me grade her driving lesson because I been a give her some lesson, been a teach her, you understand, and she said she ready for the camera now. So, we bring this on the camera, make everybody see what I go on. So right now,
yes, guys,
she go set up herself.
I've already adjusted my seat. You know, King is taller than I am, so I have to adjust the seat whenever I'm in the driving spot. So I already adjusted the seat. My foot is on the brake and it can go on the gas pedal properly. So yes, the handbrake is already down and all of that. So all I have to do now is put myself in motion and go.
Alright guys, so we can see what she go do this. So.
Alright. We have a second, Kenny. How you feeling me driving you?
Kenny, you trust her? So we have my seatbelt, guys.
Yes, safety first. We have to do that, right? Guys, I'm going to focus on the road, so you talk to King, you know.
See, she not versatile. I see that she fridge, she start for it already, you know.
No.
Come, start the car, start the car, start the car.
You have to think about safety first.
Alright, machine in a motion. So now she go select the gear. Da da dee. Da da da. Alright guys, she are going good so far.
Go down?
Yeah man, you go straight. So I will. Straight there you go. So you go. So me have to get direction, guys. Yeah, going good so far still. Yeah. Straighten up. Straighten up, straighten up, straighten up, straighten up. No man, this is not a joking thing now, you know. And I'm sure we do the video, it's serious. Alright, slow down and take your time, make a turn right here. Yeah. Take your time, go around, use your brakes,
Reverse. I'll go straight around.
Yeah, man, you can't go straight around because you have some stone right there, so you have to go bust a reverse. So put the car in a reverse, select. Come again. Alright, put in a lock. Look behind you, use the mirrors. You have 3 mirrors to work with. And you can also look behind you if you don't want to use the mirror. Just the shorty. Alright, take your time, come back. Alright. Change your lock now and select it in a drive. Take your time, take your time. Watch Kenny around there dead with laugh. Eh? Right round, yeah man, you can do it. Alright. Take out the lock there now. Take your time, go on while you remove the lock. Yeah, put in the next lock and go right round. Put in the whole of the lock. And round there now. Easy, yeah, go too fast, take your time, take your time. Take your time, straighten up, straighten up, straighten up. Yeah guys, right now, so me make sure I have the camera on she alone, you know. You can see one little piece of me now and then, but it's all about Ali today. Yeah, straighten up. Yeah. Right, this up. Yeah, nah, she not going bad so far, guys. You see a rocky road me a drive pan. Alright, yeah. Yeah.
Go around?
Yeah man, go around.
That way they go
Yeah,
around.
man, go around the post. Straighten up. Round the post again. Straighten up and go straight ahead again. Same route where you just come from. Take your time, because watch this gentleman come up on a bicycle in front of you. Go over, just say.
No, me I make him pass.
Yeah, well, let's stop making pass then if you want him pass, because what you do a while ago don't make no sense. Oh, I like how you focus on the road still. Go on. Come off at the side, yeah. Go back, straighten up, turn. Straighten up, straighten up, straighten up, straighten up, straighten up, straighten up, straighten up. Yes, good. Put in the lock there again. Alright, just go straight down and turn, come right round, make a straight round. Turn, put in the lock. Hold of the lock, hold light, hold light, hold light, hold light, hold light. Right round. Take your time, go right round. Right round, right round. Right, ease up, take your time, I say, take your time. Go on round, man, go on round. Take your time, go around, take your time, go around. Take your time. Change the lock. Go on while you can't run while you put in the lock, man. Put it in. Put in the wall of the lock. Go on. Straighten up. Yeah. Can I get a little gas now? Straighten up. Guys, don't pay the lighting no mind, because you don't know, every time you turn at a different angle, it tends to change the shading and the lighting and all of that, but that's not natural. Straighten up, straighten up, straighten up, straighten up. Yeah, you swing from the two sides. You need to just hold the steering straight and just go straight. Go down and just go right round again, yeah. Pa, put in the lock and just go, take your time, go right round. Go on. Then go right round, and when you go down this now, you go put in, straighten up, come forward and put in your back and reverse.
No?
No man, you go right round, you go right now. When you go back at the starting point, put in the lock. Yeah, go on, take it out. Go on, man. Go on. Take it out now, take it out now. Everything. All the way just put in a while away. Straighten up. Wait, where you do? Straighten up. Yeah, me say, watch the road, that's straight you are going now. I'll remember say you're going straight. Right. Watch straight up. And hold the steering straight. So you go straight down back onto the tree now.
Straight down, about a turn.
Straight down, put your face. You know the regular. But then if you tell you how to do that, we'll guide you as you go along. Put in the lock and go over to the side there.
The side here?
Yeah. One round some more. Straight round man.
All the way through.
Alright. Put in a lock now.
Which way?
Put in a put in the whole of the lock and select it in a reverse. Wrong way up. Yeah, the way there. Put the car in a reverse. Ease up. Yeah man, ready, man. Look behind you or use the mirror then, whichever way. But for now, when you look behind you, I'm gonna feel the master the mirror. Yeah? Put it in the lock. Yeah, put it in. Yeah. You want to go back straight. Straight, Alia.
Straighten up
Yeah.
then.
Yeah. Go back now. Straight, yeah, go back. Straight like where this there. I'll put in some more. Like. Take out the lock then and just hold the steering straight. Go on. Take your time, go back.
Stop.
Yeah. You can come to a stop now. But me I'll twist up the camera a while ago. Yeah. So after that. So guys, right now, I don't know what to say. But she not going too bad.
No, what you mean I don't know what to say?
She not going too bad, guys. But should not fear I tell her so much things. Because we've been to do this. You understand what I say, guys? But out of 10, how much you think you get?
No, you for tell me.
Out of 10, how much you think you deserve out of 10? Right now.
To be fair, I feel like I've done well. So out of 10, I would personally give myself a 7.
7? Alright, guys. So out of 10, I'm going to give her 50-50.
50?
50% me I give her. She barely pass. You understand? You know why too? I give her 50% because them things I have to repeat to her, she know them already. But when never the camera get her scared.
Not necessarily.
Yeah, guys, so that is it. I'm going to see some clips of the route where she drive. You understand? Because I know say you know wonder where the movements are going with. So we are going to see that part because we have 2 cameras, one focusing the road and one our video we now. So we catch up with you now when the video I post today. Today I was Saturday. So it's going to post right now in the evening. Yeah? I'm going to edit this and post it and get it out there. So what you have to say earlier?
I'm a little bit disappointed, but for the most part it's a learning process as it is because I'm just learning. So it's a learning process and there's always improvement to do better, and I'm willing to take the instructions that will be given and is given to move forward as a better driver.
Yeah guys, so until next time, bang, bang, boom.